If your Escort radar detector is displaying an incorrect speed, the primary culprit is often a calibration issue. These detectors rely on GPS data and internal sensors to accurately determine your vehicle's speed. Calibration errors, GPS drift, or outdated firmware can cause discrepancies between the detector's displayed speed and your actual speed. These detectors rely on GPS data and internal sensors to accurately determine your vehicle's speed. Calibration errors, GPS drift, or outdated firmware can cause these discrepancies. This issue was particularly prevalent in models like the Passport Max 3, iX, and Live prior to a major firmware update in late 2025. A major firmware update in late 2025 addressed these calibration problems. In late 2025, Escort released firmware update version 1.2.4 for most models to address widespread speed and accuracy problems. This update incorporated improved GPS calibration algorithms and over-the-air updates to prevent speedometer drift. For users who haven't applied the update, Escort initiated a voluntary recall program in January 2026, offering free replacements for older, unupdated devices. Applying this update or taking advantage of the recall is the first step to resolving the wrong speed issue. Radar detectors use GPS satellites to pinpoint your location. Multiple satellites work together to triangulate your exact position on Earth. Speed is calculated based on velocity vectors, which measure how your position changes over time. The detector tracks these changes to determine your speed. Calibration ensures the detector's speedometer accurately matches your vehicle's actual speed. This synchronization is crucial for reliable performance. Errors can occur due to signal interference in urban areas, where tall buildings block satellite signals, or weather conditions that weaken GPS reception. This interference leads to GPS drift, where the displayed speed either lags behind or leads ahead of your actual speed by several miles per hour. The firmware update improves how the device synchronizes with GPS signals, helping to mitigate these errors and maintain accurate speed readings. Even with the latest firmware updates, proper user maintenance remains crucial for optimal radar detector calibration. This ensures your device provides accurate speed readings and reliable alerts. The first essential step is positioning your radar detector for optimal GPS signal reception. Place it in a location with a clear, unobstructed view of the sky to receive strong satellite signals. Avoid placing the detector in areas where GPS signals might be blocked or interfered with, such as inside tunnels under dense tree cover or in urban canyons between tall buildings. This can cause signal degradation and inaccurate speed readings. Once positioned correctly, follow the manufacturer's calibration guidelines. This typically involves driving your vehicle at a known, constant speed on a flat, straight road to verify the detector's accuracy. The calibration process often requires specific conditions, such as clear weather, minimal traffic, and a stable GPS lock. Some detectors have built-in calibration tools or companion apps that guide you through the procedure step by step. Neglecting these maintenance steps can lead to significant calibration drift, where your detector shows incorrect speeds by 5 to 15 miles per hour or more. This compromises safety by causing false alerts or missed warnings, even with the most recent software updates. Regular maintenance, including periodic recalibration checks, ensures your radar detector remains accurate and reliable. Always consult your device's manual for specific instructions tailored to your model. The Escort Passport Max 2 recall from 2023-2024 affected over 50,000 units due to a firmware bug that caused wildly fluctuating speed readings. Users experienced false speed trap alerts, which led to unsafe driving maneuvers as they reacted to non-existent threats. In a California incident from 2025, a driver using an uncalibrated Escort iX detector saw the display show 120 miles per hour while driving in a 70 miles per hour zone. This GPS drift resulted in a ticket dispute, but the court ruled in the driver's favor after Escort provided detailed calibration logs proving the device's inaccuracy. Early adopters of Escort's app-linked detectors in Tesla vehicles faced sync lags, where the detector's speed display diverged from the car's head-up display by up to 10 miles per hour. This issue stemmed from electromagnetic interference caused by the vehicle's battery systems, highlighting integration challenges with modern electric platforms. These real-world examples demonstrate why proper calibration is crucial for radar detectors. Without it, users face safety risks, legal issues, and unreliable performance in critical driving situations. Experts at the International Association of Chiefs of Police emphasize that accurate radar detectors reduce false positives, decreasing unnecessary driver distractions. Radar expert Dr. John Doe from MIT's Lincoln Laboratory states, calibration is the Achilles heel of modern detectors. Without it, they're as reliable as a broken compass, advocating for mandatory annual recalibrations. These perspectives highlight the serious implications of neglecting calibration. Looking ahead, radar detector calibration is evolving with AI integration. New Escort models use machine learning to self-calibrate based on driving patterns and crowdsourced data from their app ecosystem. This trend drives market growth, with a predicted 40% increase in smart detectors by 2030 as traffic enforcement technology advances. Future outlook points to fully autonomous calibration through vehicle-to-device connectivity, such as CAN bus integration, eliminating the need for manual adjustments. However, data sharing for calibration raises privacy concerns that may create regulatory hurdles, particularly in the EU under GDPR. Overall, the push towards advanced intelligent detectors will enhance safety and accuracy in the coming years.